CW Nation, I'm back with another hair video, and today we're going to be working with Wiggins hair. This is a 26-inch long wig, but it's in layers, so there's different lengths to the wig. Here's a view of what the inside looks like. It has 3 combs and the adjustable straps are in the back. Go ahead and cut that extra piece of lace at the back of the wig because it's unnecessary and we don't need it. And now I'm just going to take some of my foundation and tint the inside and the lace part of the wig. Now I'm going to use my Got2b Glue Freeze Blast spray and spray it all in the inside of the wig. Then I'm going to blow dry it to lock in that foundation. And this wig came with a stretch band and some wig cap, so I just went ahead and added my stretch band for more tightness. And now I'm cleaning off my forehead with alcohol so the glue can stick for sure, and I'm using Ghost Bond. Now you're going to use your glue and dot it along your hairline to get like an acceptable amount. You can apply it how you want to, but I just like to dot it along my hairline. Then you're going to go ahead and spread it out with something thin and make sure that you make a neat line. Make it neat as possible. You don't want it all over the place. And this is our first layer of glue. When it turns clear, you're going to want to do this a second time, because if you only do it once, then your wig is not going to last that long. If you put 2 layers, you'll get it for a good week if you take care of it, or 2 weeks. Once you see the glue to start turn slightly clear, that's when you want to go ahead and apply the wig immediately, because if you wait too long, then it's not going to work anymore. And make sure that when you are laying down your wig, that it's in the correct place and it's exactly where you want it to be, because you don't want to keep lifting it off to try and fix it, because then you're going to mess up the glue application that you just did. So just make sure when you're laying down, it's where you want it to be exactly. Now I'm going to take my scissors to cut the lace, and I'm just going to use the sharp inner corner of the scissors to shave off the lace, because I feel like it gives me the best natural look when I do this. So, I mean, you could do it how you want. I suggest that you don't make a completely straight line, because then it's going to look all wig-ish. Now, taking my hot comb, I'm going to be using this to flatten my wig at the top, because who wants a bumpy head? Like, unless you're trying to say that's what your head shape is underneath. No, sis, we're going to use our hot comb and we gonna melt this wig, period. Now I'm just going to use the same scissors I used to cut my lace, and once again using the inner corner of the scissors to do a shave cut to my baby hairs, because I don't want to just cut them straight. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but I just feel like it gives it a more natural look to the ends of the baby hairs once you cut them. And to lay down my baby hairs, I'm going to be using my Silk Element Styling Foam Lotion. It is so bomb, you guys, and it smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. It was about $6 and I got it from Sally's, and I love this product so much for my baby hairs. Now this part can be very tricky because if you apply too much or if you go too slow, your lace can lift. You need to be very quick and swift with this. You might want to map out how your baby hairs are going to look before you actually put the foam on, because this can make your lace front lift off. Yeah, you might want to practice this a few times before you do it on anyone else, because this part is very tricky if you are a beginner. One more tip: if you're a beginner, you should just use some Got2b glue gel for your baby hairs. That works too. But for a more natural and soft look, I prefer to use the styling foam because it gives you that more natural and soft look, and that's the whole point of a frontal. We're trying to get everything to look as natural as possible, ladies. This silk head wrap came with the packaging, so just look forward to that when you guys shop with Wiggins Hair. It's so cute and it helps to maintain your frontal overnight, and it's gonna definitely help your frontal last longer. And you can put this on when you're done with your baby hairs, and you're gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes so it could just lay your baby hairs down and allow the foaming lotion to dry. And here are the finished results. And this is how it's supposed to look when you look back, honey. Ew. Oh, like the hair that I'm wearing in this video, it's from Wiggins Hair, and all of their social media, website links, and contact information and details on the hair that I'm wearing will all be listed down below in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. And the links will direct you right to where you need to go to shop, ladies. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. If you want to become a part of the OTW Nation family, all you gotta do is click that subscribe button and hit that bell button as well so you can be notified when I post. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, OTW Nation.